It's lunchtime and my birds are having some lunch. It's snowing outside, so I decided to have some sandwich with chicken. So I have leftover from yesterday 2 chicken breasts, and here I cut it some chicken, not as thin slices, just like this. The next I shredded some carrot, not too much, because I like carrot, especially raw one. You see, it's something like whatever you have in your fridge. So I have a little bit of celery and it goes here. Then I have some delicious sweet pepper, and then I add some onion. Look at the colors. Wow, it's getting better and better, and I'm sure it's getting tastier. I added approximately 50 grams or maybe 60-70 grams of mozzarella cheese. And now 1 tablespoon of mayo. So we need to mix everything nicely. Of course, you can add some pepper and salt. And if you want more mayonnaise, then add more mayo. But I don't like too soggy. I like half dry. Now I'm going to use some Portuguese bun, or you can use any kind of bun. So I'm gonna fry it a little bit. Okay, here we are. My bun's almost ready, almost toasted. And also I have some avocado and I have some tomato, because I like tomato and I like avocado. So I'm gonna create some kind of like the most delicious sandwich, chicken sandwich I ever had. It looks like ready. Yeah, perfect, perfect. So I'm going to use some butter on the top. I have some butter here. Yeah. Now let's put some chicken salad here. Oh, wonderful. Well, a little bit messy, but it's for me. Okay, a little bit more. Wonderful. Yeah. I actually don't like onion too much, so probably. Yeah, so this looks amazing already. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some avocado. A little bit more chicken. So now I'm gonna put some avocado on the top. Avocado, please come. Yeah, here. And this one as well. Yeah, look at this. Look at this beauty. I'm already like hungry. I wanna eat all this. Amazing. And I'm gonna put some tomato. Okay. And this one as well. And also I have some cilantro, coriander, fresh cilantro. I don't know how about you, but I love fresh cilantro. And then we are covering this sandwich, and voila, it's time to eat. Look at this delicious beauty. And I'm sure it's delicious because I love all ingredients I put in this chicken salad. You can add your own ingredients, whatever you like. More spices, more salt, more pepper, some sauce. It's up to you. And actually, be a designer of your own food. Don't copy anyone. Just create what you like. If you like this video, press like. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Festina's Cookbook. See you in the next video. Bye bye.